Understanding the type code for the MDD synchronous motors. MDD indicates this is a synchronous motor for digital drive controllers. 093 means the motor frame size is 093. C refers to the frame length of C. N denotes that the unit utilizes standard housing. 020 refers to the nominal speed of 2000 revolutions per minute. N means it has a standard balance class. 2 indicates that side B does not have a shaft end. L means the motor uses digital servo feedback. 110 means the centering diameter is 110 mm. G refers to the plain shaft design. A denotes that the power connector is on side A. 0 means the motor does not come equipped with a blocking brake. Frequently asked questions. What is the motor's continuous current? The continuous current is 21.4 amps. What is the peak current? This MDD has a peak current of 96.5 amps. What is the winding inductance of the motor? The winding inductance is 6.1 mH. How much does the motor weigh? It weighs 22.0 kilograms. What is the max torque? The max torque is 60.6 Newton-meters. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all Bosch Rexroth motor sales and replacements.